as loud as they will go. I'm into Leonard Skinner, the Allman Brothers, and David Allan Coe. I like Willie, Waylon, George and Merle, and a lot of ZZ Top. They play country soul with some rock and roll, and I hope they never stop, 'cause I'm a redneck rock and roll son of the South. I don't like no new wave disco bands around. I'm gonna drink a couple dozen beers and go out and jam some beers, 'cause I'm a long-haired redneck rock and roll son of the South.